6 hurricanes. At number 6, we have hurricanes, massive tropical storms with winds exceeding 74 miles per hour. Known as cyclones or typhoons in other regions, these storms bring heavy rain, storm surges, and flooding. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 was a catastrophic example. It struck New Orleans, killing over 1,800 people and causing $125 billion in damage. Storm surges breached levees, flooding 80% of the city. Hurricanes are dangerous due to their size, duration, and multiple hazards, but improved forecasting has saved countless lives. We're halfway through our countdown. Which disaster do you think will take the top spot? Drop your guesses in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share this video. Let's keep going.